Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making one of the easiest, fastest, and most delicious spicy snacks you will ever try. Spicy potato blossom cups. They're crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside, and absolutely packed with flavor. Once you try them, you'll want to make them again and again. If you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Let's start with the potatoes. I slice them thinly so they bend easily without breaking. Now lay the slices flat on a baking tray, spreading them out like open flower petals. They should look like small blossoms. I brush them lightly with oil, sprinkle a little salt, and add just a bit of mozzarella on top. These go straight into the oven until the potatoes soften, become slightly golden, and the mozzarella melts beautifully. This step helps the potato petals hold their shape when we build the flower cups later. Now I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? While the potatoes are baking, let's make the filling. What's your favorite spicy dish? I start by sauteing chopped onions until golden and fragrant. Should I make more potato recipes like this? If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my delicious recipes. And share this video with someone who loves spicy food. Then I add chopped chicken pieces and cook them until they turn nicely golden. Next, I add chopped green bell pepper along with a spicy chili pepper for heat. I toss in some sliced mushrooms, they soften quickly and add so much flavor. For seasoning, I add salt, pepper, paprika, and a little curry powder. The aroma at this stage is absolutely amazing. Now that our potatoes are baked and soft, it's time to shape the blossoms. I take the softened potato slices and arrange them inside a round mold to form beautiful flower shapes. Then I fill each blossom generously with the chicken mixture. And of course, I top each one with more mozzarella. The more cheese, the better. These go back into the oven for about 20 minutes. When they come out, look at that. Golden edges, melted cheese, and the most delicious, colorful filling inside. Absolutely irresistible. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. Try these spicy potato blossom cups and let me know how they turned out. See you in the next video. Stay spicy and keep cooking with love.